Hey guys, so today we're going to be focusing on multiplying complex numbers. So last time we did add and subtract, today it's multiply and divide. All right, so our big focus is going to really just be what I squared kind of is. So if I take 2i times 4i, it's exactly the same thing as what we were doing before. So we take the two whole numbers, we multiply them together, so we do 2 times 4 and we get 8. Then we do I times I and we get I squared. Now if you remember when we did I squared, multiply by I, we get one rotation, multiply by I again, and we get to -1. So really, this is the same thing as 8 times -1. Well, and that's just -8. Perfect. All right. Now, you guys have seen me do this before, but now you're going to see me do it again. I'm going to multiply in the box. Okay, so we've got 4 plus 5i times -2 plus 4i. So now I'm going to multiply each piece together. It's called double distribution. So we've got -2 times 4 is -8. -2 times 5i is -10i. We've got 4 times 4i, and that's a 16i. And then we have 4 times 5 is 20, and I times I is I squared. Well, I squared is really -1. Well, 20 times -1 is just -20. So I've got -20 and -8 that are like terms. So I've got these two right here. So -20 plus -8 is a -28. And then I have a 16 and a -10 that go together. So that's a positive 6i. There's my answer. All right, we're going to do that same thing again, but this time it's squared. That means there's two of them. It does not mean distribute the squared. It means that there are two of them. So we've got a 3 minus 4i times a 3 minus 4i. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times -4 is a -12i. Same thing with 3 times -4 is -12i. The -4 times -4 is a -16. I mean a positive 16. Whew, struggle's real. So we've got 16i squared. But we need to remember that I squared really just means change that number sign because we're multiplying by -1. And when you multiply by -1, you just change the sign. So if we do combine like terms, we've got 9 minus 16, which is a -7. And then we have -12 plus a -12 is a -24i. All right. That's really all we have to do today. I want you guys to go ahead and try these 3 problems on your own. Notice there's a squared. This means it happens twice. That whole thing happens twice. Okay? And you've got this. You can totally do this. All right. And then write your recap. Today's lesson's kind of short, but it makes it great for making up any work that you need.